6 heritage organisations bring their local history to life through 10 beautiful walking and cycling routes along the River Meuse. Hop on your bike, lace up your hiking boots and travel back and forth through time with the Limburg Heritage Route. In Stevensweert, you'll find yourself in the midst of the 80 Years' War and discover remarkable treasures from the Meuse. In Thorn, you'll explore 800 years of women in power and meet the coal miners from the White Town. Maasbracht takes you through its transformation from a rural village to a home port for inland shipping. In Wessem, you'll encounter trade, sacred splendour and serene stillness. Enjoy the Limburg countryside and visit the sandy soils. In Horst aan de Maas, the lace factory weaves the story of textile barons and their industrial dreams. And in Helden, you'll peek behind the facades of stately villas where history whispers its secrets. Striking rulers, conquerors and warriors, rebellious women, clever traders, skippers, farmers, bon vivants, liberators in World War II and more. You'll meet them all on the Limburg Heritage Route. Download the free app and discover our Limburg past, right where it happened.